Hello, today I will be speaking about the Indie Imports Report. And on the first page, Employee Sales, we can see how many products were sold by each employee, by buying group. And then we can also see how many products were sold by each employee by the individual product color. And from this, we can see that products with a color of blue sold the most from each employee. Then we can also see how much profit was made in each sales territory, and from this we can see that Texas made the most amount of profit. Then lastly, we get to see how much profit was generated by each sales team. And then we can filter on sales team to see which were the employees that were involved within that sales team. And we can also filter on sales territory to see how many products were sold from each employee in that specific sales territory. Lastly, we can filter on employee to see how much profit was generated in each sales territory from that employee, and also how much that employee contributed to each sales team. Then moving on to the next page, sales data, we get to see a comparison between the current year and previous year, with the year being selected at the bottom right. And we have a KPI here that shows the total profit for the current year, the profit for the previous year, and a difference between current and previous year, along with a percentage growth. On the top visual, we can see the difference between current and previous year profit on a daily level, and for the visual below that, we can see it on a monthly level. And then we also have a gauge here, which shows the amount of profit for the current year, with the target being the amount of profit for the previous year. Then, moving on to the next page, forecast for sales, we get to see forecasts for sales based off of previous year data. And we can see forecasts for all our products on a monthly level here, or on a daily level. And also, we can see forecasts for each individual product based on a selection of a year. Then lastly, we can go to worst performance page, and on this page we can see which cities and which stores we are underperforming in, and also what are the products that are selling the least amount. And here we can see that Brookville was the city that sold the least amount of products, and that Wingtip Toys in New York, Cherry Plain, made the least amount of profit, and that Black and Orange Glass with Care Dispatch is the worst selling product overall within the year 2013. And then also we get to see which product color is selling the least amount of as well, which would be yellow. And then lastly, we have a pie chart here, which just displays if the worst performing products were removed, how much profit would we lose. Thank you for watching.